day it is today. I think I should just rest while the kids are still at school. I'm gonna read my favorite magazine, Travel. It's super good. Mommy! What is it, honey? Guess what? I have a surprise for you in my backpack. Really? Yeah, let me just show it to you. Okay, let's get it. Here it is. Oh my goodness. It's an A+ on your math test. That's awesome, sweetie. Why don't I make you a celebratory dinner, macaroni and cheese, while you go do your homework? Yeah! Okay, I'll go do that. First of all, of course, I need to put up this A+. Maybe I should put it on the refrigerator. There we go. It looks perfect there. Okay, now to make the mac and cheese. First, we need to turn on the stove. We need to have boiling water before we put the mac and cheese in. Okay, now that it's heating up, look how boiling it is. Okay, now we need to add the mac and cheese. Oh look, there it is. Okay, now we need to open it and put it in the boiling hot water. Okay. There we go. Well, it's almost done. Now we just need to wait a couple of minutes. Marlo, your macaroni and cheese is done. Yummy. Thank you, Mom. Of course, sweetie. I'm so proud of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked my cooking video. And please like under there for more cooking videos so I can post more. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!